30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 9. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 9th part of this YouTube video series. This whole video series about how to make money online, and in particular at least $100, because I know that this will really move the needle for most of you guys. Okay, so I know that when I was new to making money online, $100 per day online was what allowed me to actually quit my 9-to-5 job. You know, $3,000 per month is something that will allow you to live on very comfortably. So this is the 9th part, and this one is actually very close to my heart because not only was I using this method, I actually created a course on how to use this method, and that was the one of the first courses that I sold online, and I sold like thousands of copies. So I really love this method. Now what it is, I will tell you in a second. Before we do, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. It really helps me out with the algorithm. If you will do these 4 things, I will definitely record more Make Money Online videos for you. Make money online, work from home. This is what this channel is all about. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description as well. I have my free courses, I have my $1 course, I have my coaching, I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online. Check it all out. And right now let me share my screen. Let me tell you all about this method. So guys, this method is all about intros and outros. Okay, so probably you're watching tons of different YouTube videos. Every single channel has a different intro and a different outro. Now someone is creating these intros and outros. It can be you, and you don't need to be a graphic designer, or you don't need any fancy software. Okay, so I was doing this successfully as a total newbie, as a total beginner, and you can even use a free website for it. Okay, I'll show you a few different websites, and I'm going to show you different ways of doing it. Okay, so first of all, go to Fiverr, go to the intros and outros category. So this is a video and animation, intros and outros. And as always, just find a successful gig, already successful gig. So someone that is currently selling gigs in the hundreds, possibly in the thousands. So guys, I got this guy right here. I will produce a custom intro and outro for your YouTube. Now, these intros and outros can be for YouTube, they can be for anything else. Okay, so as you can see, this guy sold 1,400 gigs for $50, and he has 6 orders in queue. So probably because it is a custom video intro, it is a little bit more expensive. He has $50, then $100 for standard, and premium is $150. But you will be creating very similar video intros. So as always with Fiverr, just mirror this gig. So rewrite the title, rewrite the description, use a similar image, use similar packages, so you can lower the prices, you can do a faster delivery, and you can do a 2-for-1 deal if you are brand new on Fiverr. Okay, so by the way, I'm talking about Fiverr. This will work on any other freelancing website. So Upwork, Freelancer, you know, any other freelancing websites that I can think of right now. And you just wait for an order, so you don't have to do anything until you will get an order. Once you will get an order, I'm going to show you 2 websites that I used to use. Okay, so the orders coming in, what you do is you go to Flixpress.com. Okay, so this is a website that allows you to create different intros and outros, and even longer videos. Okay, so you can actually get started for free. They have like I believe 10 different templates that you can use for free. Let me actually log in. Let me tell you and show you exactly how all of this works. So let me log in right here. So as you can see, all of these templates right here. So we have 12, what is it? It's like 17 different templates that are free. So free plan, as you can see, you can use all of these. And you can charge, you know, probably for these, because many different people are using the same free templates, you can charge like $5, $5, $10, maybe $15. This is if you are desperate, if you can't invest like $5 a month into Flixpress. Now let's go to pricing, and let me show you actually how many more you are getting if you will decide to upgrade the free plan. So let's go to pricing right here. As you can see, for 83 cents per month. So this is if you're going to pay annually, monthly, you're going to pay $3.49 per month. You are getting additional 54 templates. Okay, so you're getting 15 free templates for $0. For $3.50, you're getting 54. For $10 a month, so probably like 1 gig, you'll get 104 number of templates. and for professionals, $50 per month. You're getting the full library, and this will include longer videos. So these longer videos you can actually sell for hundreds of dollars. But we are not here to talk about longer videos. Let's go back to automated templates. Let me show you how easy it is to edit these templates, because again, guys, you can do this with no experience. Let me actually pause this. So you can do this from anywhere in the world. As you can see, with a free account, you have an account balance of 2 minutes. Okay, so this is 10 seconds. All you have to do is just click on customize right now. You can upload an image. So this can be a logo of your client. And then, as you can see, you can proceed and then just move it around if you want to. Let's click on next and just edit the text. So main title. So can be whatever text color. You can swap the image, you can add audio, you can do 720p or 1080p, and that's essentially it. If you want to add audio, this can be different music, or maybe if someone has a voiceover, you can add it as well. So you can literally create these kind of intros in a matter of seconds, then go back to Fiverr, deliver it to your buyer, and not really cashing on the difference because you are paying monthly here on FlixPress, and again, you have the free plan as well. So guys, FlixPress is one of these websites that I was using. Another website that I always use actually for my own video intros is introchamp.com. Okay, so on Introchamp you will have to pay $6.89 for every single intro. Okay, so they don't have any monthly plans, you just pay as you go. Okay, so every intro will cost you at least $7. The cool thing is that these are super high quality intros. Okay, so again, I'm using these for my own courses, for my own coaching, etc. They look amazing. You can edit them in the same exact way. It literally takes seconds to create these intros. As you can see, you can add custom logos, music, the whole deal, the whole enchilada, and then you go back to Fiverr and deliver it. So you're gonna have to charge at least $10, $15, $20 for these intros, but again, these intros are super high quality. You can easily flip them for $50 because I actually did an interview for my coaching students with a guy, with Eric, that sells these intros on a different website. Okay, so not Fiverr, is like a private community for $50. Okay, so each and every single one he flips for $50. So he pays $7, he charges $50, and he makes $33 literally in a matter of seconds. So guys, so that's the make money online method I wanted to show you in this video. It is super easy. It is almost like flipping, almost as easy as flipping, but you just have to edit the template. Again, it literally takes you seconds. Guys, before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you don't have any questions, just say hi. It really helps me out with the algorithm. This way I can deliver more videos to you, everything about making money online and work from home. You know what this channel is all about. Check out all the links in the description as well. I have a bunch of different things that will help you with making money online, and check out all the rest of the videos on this channel, especially the ones that I'm uploading this month. So all the 30 ways to make $100 per day. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.